Good morning, Steve Freeman in Chicago with the morning grain comments, where prices are mixed overnight. First of all, we would like to look at the Argentina weather forecast map that shows rains across parts of central Argentina and also some rains across Rio Grande do Sul. As far as the markets are concerned, right now we've got beans about unchanged at 15.23. Corn up a penny at 6.84, and wheat down a penny at 7.50. Stocks are lower, dollars higher, and crude is higher, and copper is higher. I think that there's a lot of question marks about China and that maybe their economy is improving more than what some people think. This after the reopening of China and dropping all of the COVID restrictions. And so that is something down the road that people will have to try to figure out, does that improve their imports, especially of energy and base metals. But as far as soybeans are concerned, yesterday, the U.S. soybean export commitment was a little bit higher than expected. There was also a daily announcement of China beans, but this was to the new 23-24 season rather than the current season. So I think that Argentina saw some crop ratings that improved from last week, but are still below last year. Brazil still has cheaper prices to China versus U.S., with the U.S. unshipped open sales now record high. And does that increase chances of maybe some cancellations or switching of open sales to Brazil? Weather-wise, besides the rains in Argentina and the rains in southern Brazil, there's still kind of consistent showers in central and northern Brazil, which is slowing the planting of the large second corn crop and the soybean harvest. As far as the corn market is concerned, yesterday's corn export sales were also a little bit better than expected. China continues to look at prices for Ukraine, for nearby, and Brazil for new crop. And this is the last day of the China holiday, so we'll see if there's any news from China as far as any new purchases. The ethanol data this week was a little bit negative, but you have the corn market right now in the nearby March continue to support this uptrend line. We're back testing some of the strong resistance, 685 area, and we've traded now above the downtrend line, which is kind of positive to the marketplace. But we still see quite a bit of a spread between March, which is stronger relative to new crop December, which is trading at 588. You can say the same thing about beans, with March beans at 1523 and November beans at 1355. So it's front-loaded demand that's supporting the nearby market versus talk of higher crops in 2023. Wheat market continues to rally. The Chicago market has gone from a low recently of 712 to the high overnight of 753 and trading over the 20-day moving average. And much of this has to do with maybe some increased war premium as Russia hit Ukraine with missiles overnight after the announcement of tanks from U.S. and Germany to Ukraine.